Hi guys, let's solve the problem 14004. Okay, number of steps to reduce a number in a binary representation to 1. Okay, so what this question is saying, let me just give you a brief introduction. Suppose I have 1 and 0. Okay, so I have to convert this into 1. Okay, understand? This is the basic overview. So there are two steps in which we have to perform the conversion. First, if this is an even number, okay, so I can divide this with 2. Okay, now if it is an odd number, I have to plus 1. Then I can it will become, I have to plus 1. Since this become even after adding, so I have to perform this. I can perform this. I can divide by 2. Okay, so it will reduce to a smaller value. Okay, so this is the two concept. Either I can divide by 2 or either increment by 1. I can only increment if it is an odd number and only divide if it is even. Okay, so I can divide by 2 or plus 1 with even and odd. Take this as a point. Okay, so what are even numbers? Anything in the binary representation, if it ends with 0, it is definitely an even number. And if I have something like this is an odd number because in this it is the last one. Understand? So this is the main concept of even and odd. Okay. Now, what is this? It is an even value. What is this? This is an odd. Okay. So I have to convert this into this. So what step I can do? Okay. Since I cannot convert this into a value because uh, the length of binary is 5 vector. Okay, which will exceed. So what I can perform is I can do a simple math or bit manipulation. If I will iterate like this. Okay. And if my current I, okay, try to understand this properly. This could either be 0 or it could either be 1. Okay. Now, I will take a carry variable with me, which will initialize with 0. Okay. This will be my carry. Now, what I will do is, if I have something like this, okay, I can just simply chop this off by dividing like this. Okay. What if I have a value like this? If I'm adding the 1 here, it will become 110. Means the 1 will come at the first most 0 bit from this side. Okay, like let me just tell you with a bigger example. If something I have value like 1 0 1 1 1. If I add this up, I will bring this 1 as 1, but I will give a carry to this 1 person. It will still be give 1 because in binary we can only have 0 or 1. So this will carry move to this. Now again this will carry again move to this person. But the moment it goes to the first 0, it will change this 0 to 1. Okay. So means I have to carry take a variable dot carry, which will tell me should I carry this 1 or not. The carry will only work if I got a 0. Understood? So let's do a simple math. Let's do a simple math. 1 or 0. My S of I could either be 0 or 1. Now, my carry. This could either be 1, means either it could go with this pair or I could go with this pair. Means with 1, S of I1, I can have a carry of either 1 or 0. Same with 0, I can have a carry of 1 or 0. Okay, now I need points. How many steps I have to do in this. Okay, and now again I can take a suppose Let's start with 0. Suppose, let me just leave this to give you a better. Now, suppose I have something like this. Okay. Now I have to chop and my carry is also 0. So what can I can simply do? I can just simply chop this off. Okay, so my rest would be plus 1. It is the steps. Okay. Rest is my result of the steps. And carry will remain 0. Okay. Suppose uh, there is a carry which came from this part, solving this part, and I am at this position. Now, if I have a carry, so I have to add this carry to this value, so it will become 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, if I have this value, I have to use how many steps? Plus 1 to add this, make this 0, and give it a carry to the next person. Means I have to do a carry. I have to make the carry as 1. Okay. And if I'm doing this, I got plus 1 as I have to add the value. Now, since this is 0, I have to divide this, make this more. So I need two values. So it will be making it 2 plus 2. Now, I move to this part of the solution. This, I move to the position where my value is 1 and carry is also 1. So this will result in me adding the value 0, 1 and give it a carry also. Okay. So since I have added this value and I didn't do any steps, I have to do the step now. So the result would be 1 and carry would be 1. Okay. Now same will apply here, so it will make this 0 and a carry will and here is so move to this page. Now suppose I have nothing. So I can only have to plus 1, make this 1 with a carry 1 and this 0, and I have to divide this. So it needs 2 steps and carry would be 1. So this is my if condition and result. So this is a simple math problem and you can just code this up. I will do the code later soon. So here's a value s of I, carry, how many steps do I have to perform and how many carry, how task. Okay. And equals to len of, okay, resultant would be 0 and I have to return the, I need a carry that will be 0 in the starting. For I in range, I have to move from the now why this, yeah, I have to use the 0 because suppose I have like this value. This I have don't have to change this value. I have to move to this position. I have to remove all this. Okay. I will use till this position. Iterating from this area till this position. I'm not iterating this. Okay. If s of I equals to 0 or else it is 1. Okay. Now if carry equals to 0 or 1. Same here. If carry equals to 0 or 1. Okay. Now, if my carry is 0 and Si is also 0, I have to make the carry as 0 and rest would be plus 1. Okay, what if my carry is 1? My carry is 1. My carry is 1. I have to do 2 steps. Carry will be 1 and rest would be. Okay. If my S of I equals to 1 and carry is 0, My S of I is 1 and carry 0, I have to perform two steps. Carry equals to 1 and is equals to else carry equals to 1 and is okay. Now, suppose in the end, suppose in the end I move to only one value and there is a carry out of it. What will I do? I have to add this value to this first, this value and make this. Again, I have to divide this up and make. So if carry, then rest equal to plus 1. And let's try to run this up. So, am I writing carry 1? Two. Okay, I'm using a string here. I am using a string. 4, 7, 6, 7. See, it's been accepted, but since this is a book of n, then and space complexity is only one. Hope you understand this concept. If you do, just give it a like this time. See you.